I would love to call upon a very well-recognized personality who is Sir Shamim Malik, and he has been us since forever. So kindly, sir, please address us.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, very warm welcome to all the participants, and then I really appreciate Pakistan Student Law Association, because these students, these youngsters have done wonders. It was impossible at a stage when they started this. I told Hassan and his team that you wouldn't be able to do so many things as you have already told me that this is our schedule and we'll be doing all these things, but they have made it possible. It's a great achievement of PSLA, and they must be appreciated, and I appreciate you all. They have conducted law moots, they have conducted so many things, seminars and now trainings and this fellowship program. I think it's a thing which must be followed, and all the other students which who are basically, I think these students are from all the universities perhaps. Maybe that this main team is from government college, but now the participants are from every university almost. So it's a great achievement that you people are gathered here for the purpose of training. Now, what does it mean, training? Bar vocational course is given Punjab Bar Council. You have planned this fellowship program. What is need of this? I'll only take few minutes because Hassan Irfan Sahib is here. He'll be addressing you, and he'll be basically, I'll also be taught by him that what is corporate law, which I only know spellings. So you have gone through the studies, you go to the university, there are different teachers who are with you and you are with them, and fortunately I am also visiting 3 universities right now, but this is altogether a different thing. Don't sit here with the mindset of a student while you are in your university. Sit here to understand that when you will appear in courts, what should be your style, how would you approach the court, how would you rather enter the gate of the court, then how would you go to approach to the chair where you are supposed to wait for your case, and then you will have to understand how you will be going to the rostrum or how you will be approaching the podiums. So you have a long journey, but you learn all these things. Then how to address the court, how to manipulate your facts of the case, how to adjust the judgment law according to the facts of your case, how to do research basically, which is very important, because you people, as you are my sons and daughters and you are my students, I know that you have very short span of attention now. You are just in habit of, in 1 second you see 5 things, but when you go for research, it's an option for you, as you people, my few of students do, that they give all the documents to ChatGPT and they seek the guidance from ChatGPT. Maybe that ChatGPT would be able to give you some guidance, some summary, but I can tell you that first of all you will have to go to the trial courts, and when you will go to the trial court, you need to build your case. That is the place. Trial court is the place where you innovate, you build new things, you become a creator, you create a case basically by your cross-examination, by your presenting your witnesses, whatever. So that is the place, and in that place the facts of your case are so important. If you are doing a criminal case, if you haven't gone through the civil, through all the police file and the judicial file, if you haven't gone through all the zimnis, if you haven't gone through the recovery memos, if you haven't gone through the post-mortem report, medical legal certificate, forensic experts evidence, you wouldn't be able to do cross-examination which is effective. So effective cross-examination, effective conducting of your case, all depends that how you have made a struggle on your case. So now you will understand that what is law practically. I'm sure you know that what is law because you have been in your classes for years now. But what you are supposed to do it practically when you go to the court. That is entirely a different thing. Please sit here with a mindset that you are going to learn now that how would you be practicing law, not studying law, not reading books, but rather it would be a trade, it would be a skill which you will learn here, because almost all the persons who will be here, they are the best of the best. We have tried our best to select the best persons of their field, and they'll be here. Whatever they'll be delivering here in 1 or 2 hours, that would be the essence of their life. Whatever these our speakers would be telling you, this would be the essence of their life. So don't take it easy. These are not those lectures which I also deliver in university. Maybe that you can skip those lectures and you go through your book and you will be learn so many things which I have delivered. But here, these are the people who have experience of 3 decades, 4 decades, 5 decades. And they'll be telling you in 1 or 2 hours the whole life of theirs. So please be ready to get that knowledge of practical experience, and this is an opportunity that you are so lucky that you will have this opportunity. When we were in law, when we had done our LLB, we had no such opportunity. We were just learning things from our ustad, our seniors, and the things which you learn here in minutes, we have learned in decades. And I can tell you that we only can understand how important it is, because we have strived it, we couldn't achieve it, but it is on your doorstep. And only I am so thankful to PSLA and Lahore High Court Bar Association, especially the President Babar Murtaza Khan, that when I requested Babar that this is the program, this is fellowship program, and the students are being trained, he didn't took, I can say he didn't take a second rather, and he said that yes, you have all the powers, whatever you want to do, I'll be with you. So great applause for Babar Murtaza Khan. Thank you very much.